Hello family, Dr. Ross here. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest, and though the Harley is to be our rainy day project, I just can't wait to unbox the new shipment. The BDL belt drive assembly has arrived, so I thought we could do the unboxing together and take a look at it, alright? So let's get into it. I can't wait to get into this. We're going to do the unboxing of the BDL belt drive assembly. This is the BDL SH-500 2-inch belt drive kit with ball bearing clutch. And it's going to have the starter bracket so we can add our starter. So let's get it opened up and see what comes in here. Alright, well, right off the bat, you can see we've got secondary packaging. That was a nice one. My interactions with BDL, as far as my customer service experience, was that they're not big on communication, which I suppose they have a lot of really important customers. Okay, what we got in the box here? The polished aluminum parts, the cover plate, it's like hardware kit, and another box to open. What do they call those toys where the little doll and there's another one inside and another one inside and another one inside? Okay. Inside this box, oh baby, badass. There's the meat of it. Okay, 2-inch belt drive and front and rear sprocket, ball bearing clutch with the starter ring gear. Here's the transmission hub. More hardware. We have made a change in this unit. Okay. Please feel free to contact us. Oh great, that's good. There's a new hub nut for the end of the transmission with the new seal for the clutch shaft. That's great. I was going to have to buy that separately. Here's everything to put the front hub on. Wow. Very nicely boxed. I'm really excited about this clutch. The old dry clutch that we've always had in Old Joe was a noisy, clattering thing. I'm excited to open these bright brushed parts and see what the finish looks like. Alright, at the bottom of the final box, we got some notice to installer directing us to the installation guides and warranties that are online. And they also have a technician hotline number. Although I have called that multiple times, got no answer. In fact, they are very hard to reach on the phone. A little note about a change that's been made to this kit. Oh, badass sticker for the toolbox. Got to do that right away. Sign up for your warranty registration card. the contents of the kit. The front pulley is a 52 tooth and the rear is a 69 tooth. So I'm hoping that gives me a little bit longer legs. This is a different ratio than I've had on Old Joe. But Old Joe was really topping out the RPMs at 55 and 60 miles an hour. So I'm hoping that this gear ratio stretches that out a little bit and gets me a little higher top speed when I'm at my comfortable cruising RPM. Note the starter ring gear on the back of the clutch basket. That's the reason for this whole operation. Alright. Well, let's take a look at some of the pretty bits. See what the finish looks like on this. Oh, look at that. I realize that's not the most important part, but that's going to be nice. Oh, you can see me? I can see myself. That's going to be really great. That's going to help keep the look on Old Joe. Very, very nice. I had started to say that BDL belt drives it has been hard for me to get a hold of them on the phone, and their customer service response is a little slow on the phones, but once you get somebody, everything is going well. The shipment was delayed almost 3 weeks, and it was due to according to the guy at the shipping department, it was due to a breakdown of the computer system, not parts availability. Okay. Here we have the heart of the matter. This is the bracket that goes on. It's going to tie the motor to the transmission and allow the starter to be mounted here. Engage the ring gear. So we needed this part in order to be able to get the starter bracket on there. The nice thing about these is it makes the belt tension automatic rather than having an adjustable sliding transmission. This rigid setup is a no-brainer, and you just put the belt drive in on there. That's going to look really nice with this cover out on the front part of the belt. The polished finish on that is very, very nice. I'm excited about that. This is something I needed anyway. That's got a oil seal for the end of the clutch push rod. So I'm glad to see a new one of those in there. They don't put any instructions in the box, but there is an installation guide online. It's pretty simple though. There's not much to it. I think we're just supposed to know about a lot of this stuff, how we're going to do it. Here's some more polished parts in here. Let's look at them. That is beautiful. This goes over the nose of the starter. After you get the starter installed, it's going to cover the nose of it. And it's got the BDL insignia. That's beautiful. This is like Christmas. Okay. More of the starter bracket cover. There's your starter cover bracket. Beautiful. These round covers, they go over the pulleys. It's all polished and it goes here to cover the pulley. Well, I don't think I'm gonna like that. I may just leave it raw so you can see that gorgeous ball bearing clutch. Much prefer the look of that. So I might not put those covers on there. We'll see how that goes. Really looks high quality, that part of the machining. Nice fat belt. This is a ½ inch wider than the one we had on Old Joe. It's going to be fantastic. Alright folks, there you go. The unboxing of the BDL SH-500 2-inch belt drive kit with a high quality ball bearing clutch. The workmanship looks beautiful. The polish, the finish, I'm very impressed. The packaging is very nice. You get $2,000 worth of just boxes and packaging. If I had one comment, their telephone customer service is a little bit behind and my shipment was delayed almost a month. But overall, super happy with the look of this. Can't wait to get started bolting it on. And I hope you come back and watch that with me. For today, that's going to be all. Next video, we'll be putting this thing together and doing some mock-up assembly. Thanks for watching. In the Pacific Northwest, but it's a beautiful new BDL belt drive. The BDL belt. It's a beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest. We got us an airplane. It's a beautiful day here, so I thought today we could sit down. The BDL belt drive has arrived, and from BDL, the belt drive is here. Let's tear it in. Let's do the unboxing. It's a beautiful day here in the Pacific Northwest.